Now to a London tech startup company making robots for small businesses. Automata is a new firm in Islington which is quickly establishing itself at the forefront of making cutting-edge technology a lot more accessible. Paul Hawkins is at their HQ for us tonight. Paul.
Hi Assad, yeah, do you remember the big mobile phones from the 1980s? They were big and bulky and expensive, and then over the years they became smaller and more affordable. Well, robotics is at that stage of its evolution at the moment, and this new tech startup company in North London is leading that evolution at the moment. They are making robots that are more affordable and smaller for small businesses. This one here is called Eva. It's being put through its paces right now. Ewan there is fixing it at the moment. He's just running some tests on it. And then over here is the laboratory where the magic happens, where there's more testing and more development. If we come over here, you can see what the robot looked like only 5 years ago. This is the actual original model from the co-founder's garage, built using everyday hardware from a DIY store. And then over the years, it's evolved, it's grown bigger, more sophisticated, with more and more people working on it. Chanth is from Automata. He's one of the co-founders. Chanth, why did you pick London to set up this company, given how expensive it is?
London is actually quite a rich ecosystem of talent, of funding opportunities, and both me and my co-founder Mustafa, we both basically lived in London for 6 years prior to starting this company. So it was home, and we knew our way around. So that's kind of what we chose as base.
Yeah, what can Eva do?
So Eva is still a robot meant for factories. It does a lot of laborious, menial, boring, repetitive kind of jobs, such as essentially putting parts into machines on factories. In labs, it does a lot of testing, like pressing touchscreens repeatedly for months, or keyboard buttons or laptop hinges, something like that.
Yeah, and only £8,000 for a machine. And your company well, not many companies are catering for this small business market, are there? So quite a lot of potential for growth.
Yeah, so conventionally robotics companies have been mostly making products for the ultra-large scale manufacturing, like the automotive or the consumer electronics kind of industry. But a lot of small and medium-sized manufacturers that do contract manufacturing for smaller companies struggle to be able to automate. So this is a robot for those kind of companies.
And just very quickly, how intelligent are they? Should we be worried about our jobs?
Don't think so. These robots are not intelligent at all. They are a bit of 6 joints put together, and they basically repeat a programmed set of actions. Okay. And if I was to remove this button from here, it wouldn't know that I did that. It would just keep going there.
No chance then it's going to replace TV reporters anytime soon?
No TV reporters, and no entrepreneurs either.
Yeah. Presenters?
Possibly.
Okay, so it looks like we're safe, Assad, but what about you?
Some really exciting developments there in Islington. Thanks very much, and for our jobs.